In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language settings on your Squarespace website. Whether you're trying to reach a broader audience or simply prefer using your website in a different language, this guide will walk you through the process smoothly. Let's dive right in. First things first, you're going to want to navigate to the Squarespace platform. Open your internet browser and go to www.squarespace.com. Once you're there, log into your Squarespace account by entering your email and password. This will take you to your dashboard, the central hub where you manage your website. Now that you're in the dashboard, look towards the bottom left part of your screen. Here, you'll find an option labeled Settings. Click on this option to open the Settings menu, where you can access various customization tools for your site. With the Settings menu open, the next step is to locate and select Site Languages. This option allows you to manage the primary language your website will use, ensuring it communicates effectively with your chosen audience. You'll then see a drop-down menu that lists a variety of languages. Browse through the options and select the one you prefer. This list includes a wide array of languages, catering to a global user base, so you're likely to find the one that best suits your needs. Once you've selected your preferred language, it's crucial to save your changes. You'll see a Save button, likely located near the top or bottom of your screen. Click this button to ensure your new language settings are applied to your site. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully changed the language settings on your Squarespace site. It's a straightforward process, yet it opens up a world of possibilities for connecting with audiences who speak different languages. Remember, adjusting your site's language is an excellent way to enhance accessibility and user experience. If at any point you wish to change the language again, simply repeat these steps to select a new option. Also, it's a good idea to review your website content after making these changes to ensure everything is displayed correctly in the new language. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Squarespace tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.